Library Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 301 North Withers Road, Liberty, Missouri on May 18, 2021 at 5:49 p.m. Abducted was Carmani Carmelo Colston Miller, black, male, age 10 months. Suspect vehicle is a white GMC/Chevrolet. Vehicle has 4-door pickup. Vehicle/suspect last seen southbound on North Withers Road. Suspect is unknown, a Hispanic, MALW. Suspect has armed with a knife. Suspect is unknown, a black, male. Suspect has long dreadlocks, nicknamed Twante, and is armed with a firearm. Suspect is Ashley Dene Hakuda, black, female, 31, 5 feet 1 inches tall, 154 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes. Victim Carmani Carmelo Colston Miller has black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing yellow t-shirt, red sweatpants. Victim has short curly black hair. Mother and 2 unknown males were armed and took the 10-month-old from the father. Please call 911 or Library Police Department at 816-439-4701 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Okay.
The little doggy dog.